Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Fairfield local and long distance movers near me. 3 Movers has been a leader in the moving industry for over 20 years. Our customers are happy to have the entire moving day taken care of by us, starting with packing up things into boxes and finishing the day off with unpacking into a new place to call home. Our movers won't skip a beat after getting to work right on time. The excellent services we offer all come at an affordable rate, and you'll be informed up front how much a move will cost with a free quote. We will always go the distance for our customers, even if that means going out of state or to a foreign country. Make sure all of your valuables are protected by letting us pack your belongings for you. We will meet you there with all of your things safe and sound. You're staying around the Bay Area, but even a short distance move down the street takes a lot of time and effort. That is why many customers will skip the hassle of stuffing boxes into their car and making dozens of trips to their new space and back. Our moving company will get you packed and moved in just a few short hours, all in a day's work. Well, for us, you can just enjoy some downtime. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Fairfield moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.